Hi, I'm Miss Marie Bahan. This is my son Ollie.
Hello.
Today we're going to learn the sight word were. If we were going to have fun, we would do a video.
Yes.
Okay, let's get out a piece of paper or a whiteboard and something to write with, a crayon, a pencil. Crayon and paper is best, but you can use any tools you want. So first we're going to write the word were. We're going to say the letters as we write them. W E R E. Were. And then we're going to trace right on top and say the letters.
W E R E. Were.
Good. And third time. W E R E. Were. Okay, next step, we're going to load the word. So we're going to take our writing hand and put it all the way to the top. Then we're going to pull it down and say the word were. Were. And then we're going to tap with our writing hand on our other arm. W-E-R-E. Were. Then we slide the word down, okay? Second time. Were. W-E-R-E. Were. Third time. Were. W-E-R-E. Were. Okay, next we're going to take our writing hand and we're going to take the finger and we're going to finger trace. W-E-R-E. Were. Your turn.
W-E-R-E. Were.
Okay, third time. W-E-R-E. Were. Next, we're going to skywrite. So we're going to write in the sky really, really big each letter. Okay, you first. Okay, you first.
Okay. W-E-R-R-E-E.
What's the word?
Were.
Were, okay. W-E-R-E. Were. Your turn.
W-E-R-E-E. Were.
Good. Next, we're going to write it 3 times. So lower on the paper, or you can erase and write it again. You can write it 3 times. So it's W-E-R-E. Were.
W-E-R-E. Were.
Good. And we're starting at the top of all of our letters. W-E-R-E. Were. Okay, this is where it gets tricky. We got to remember. Let's look at it one more time before we take it away. Were. We got it stuck in our brains?
Okay.
Okay, let's flip over the page. Now we're going to have to spell it. How do we spell were? If I were smart, I would remember. Were. I'm going to say W. No, not W-H. That'd be wh. We're just doing wh. Were. So W. You want to tap it out? Would that help?
Yeah.
Were. W-E-R-E. Were. Good job. Okay. Next, we're going to create a sentence. Okay. Now, here's our new, no, it's our old word, but we should know all the red words are sight words, so we should know them. So stop and just read them. Okay. And then the green words we're going to sound out. And these are going to be, one sound and one sound. So first we're going to review our phonics, okay? So our floss rule is if it ends in an F, L, or S or Z after a short vowel, it's going to be one syllable word. So you just clap one time when you say the word, it's going to be double the consonant. So we double these consonants after a short vowel that is a one syllable word. So example would be FF would be stuff,
Stuff.
stiff,
Stiff.
fluff,
Fluff.
staff.
Stuff.
For L, double L would be example would be all,
Oh.
mall, call, hill.
Oh.
Double S example would be, what's that word?
Floss.
Good.
Boss. Miss.
Miss. So what do we notice again? It's one syllable. Miss. Can you clap for miss?
Miss.
Miss. And it's a short vowel. So it's not mice. It's miss. Would it be dress? It'd be dress. Is the short E. And then for Z, an example of this would be buzz, jazz, fizz. Okay, our other phonics rule we're going to review is the suffix ing.
Ing.
It makes the action word, which would be think, means it's happening right now. So think is our base word, and then we're going to add plus the suffix ing. So an example would be think
Think.
plus
Plus.
ing
Ing.
equals
Think. Ing.
thinking. See the picture of the emoji thinking? Another example would be base word stomp
Stomp.
plus ing
Ing.
equals
Stomping.
and then plant
Plant. Wait.
plant plus
Ing.
ing equals planting. Like we were planting a lemon tree. Okay, so there's your phonics review. Now we can read our sentence. Okay, sight word, they. Our new sight word, were. Then we're going to sound this out. Make, and then ing. Making.
Because there used to be a silent E, but you drop the E and then put ing.
Yeah, this used to be make. So it was make. And then we added ing, ended up being
And then
making. So we still say make, even though the E isn't there, and then the ing. Okay, so they were making a, and this is mess. Let me just erase this. Okay, so they were making a mess. Now let's get the sentence out and put it in the wrong order. So they were making a mess. What should we be looking for at the beginning of a sentence?
We should be looking for the capital.
Capital letters. Always start beginning sentence. And then what is at the end of every sentence?
A period.
Some kind of punctuation mark, like a period. Okay, so now we know the beginning and end. Now let's see, is this going to make sense? Let's read it. They were making mess. No. What did we say? They were making a mess. There's our new word, so let's put were in. Does that make sense? They were a making mess. No. They were, I know, we could just switch it. Making a mess. Okay, now make sure that we are always using a capital letter at the beginning, finger spacing, and what's at the end?
A period.
A punctuation mark like a period. Okay, so pause the video and copy the sentence, and then send me the picture. Bye.
Bye.